On January 2nd, 2024, we picked up our brand new trailer, the Timberleaf PIKA. We were also treated to a friendly tour of the facility. Come along with us and see how the Timberleaf trailers are built. We were met at the door by the Timberleaf friendly staff. Walking through the front door, you walk right into their brand new showroom floor. If you buy one, yours will be sitting right there ready to drive away. This is their brand new facility. Their extremely friendly staff was really thrilled to give us a tour. This area here is their wood shop and where they wire up the frames. They do have the frames welded up locally and then take them from there and wire them up. As you can see here, they have state-of-the-art equipment for cutting their wood panels. As a mechanical engineer, I was thrilled to be able to see how our trailer was made. Come to find out, we were the first ones to receive a trailer from their new facility in 2024. Sit back and listen to how these Timberleaf trailers are made by this friendly staff.
PIKA, it's about 25 different random parts and pieces as far as wood goes. And then on the classics, it's about 38, 40 pieces. It's all your dividers and drawers and sliding doors and all the little pieces you see in the galleys and things. This is all finished. Water base finished on the inside, exterior. This is a classic model.
All right.
So you can feel the inside. It's all finished out, clear coated.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
This is a classic. So you have a 1/2 inch exterior wall, a 1/4 inch interior wall, and then you have 1 inch insulation in between.
Okay.
The ceiling, same thing. It's just 1/8 inch on top, 1/8 inch on the inside, and then 1 inch insulation on the inside of that.
What does the PIKA look like then?
Same ceiling insulation. So you have 1 inch, the purple foam insulation, and then it's a 3/4 inch birch wall.
Okay.
So it's not a double-sided wall, but same. It's just thicker than that 1/2 inch, so you get the same warmth out of it and the same kind of natural wood insulation.
Okay.
And then same with like the bulkhead in the galley. In your guys' is in the PIKA. This bulkhead is 1/2 inch, but in the PIKAs it's all 3/4 inch.
Oh, okay.
So you get a little bit more, being that it's not a double wall.
Gotcha.
So they're still really warm. Do you have a heater?
Yeah, we got
you
the
guys are gonna
propane heater.
toast. I would suggest cracking a window, or at least the vent on top.
Yeah.
Because you'll sweat out for sure. Wife and I camped last winter in a PIKA.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, it got cold out, but it
Yeah.
was fine inside, you know, I mean, just fine, especially with the little vent, little airflow going, you're good to go. Build the hatches separate, so there's a hatch waiting for this guy.
Okay.
They'll skin it, meaning put all the aluminum and everything on it, and
Nice.
wire all the lights. I mean, all the bells and whistles you decide to go with. And then the guys on post-finish will basically turn it into what you guys are picking up today.
Thank you very much for joining us on this tour. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. If you enjoyed the video, please hit a like and subscribe. It helps grow the channel. And if you have any questions, fill in a comment and we'll soon get back to you. Have a great day, and we hope this helped you select your new trailer. Just for reference, we went with the PIKA for more maneuverability on tight trails and did upgrade to the off-road package for the type of traveling that we do. Additionally, we went with the propane heater installed. Most of our travels are done up here in the Pacific Northwest, which we can get kind of rainy and cold.